Say good morning from the Animal Kingdom Lodge. This is day 2 and we're going to Animal Kingdom. Yay! Let's go see more animals. Say good morning, Dada. Say good morning, zebra. Oh, and he's off.
Is that warmer than the other one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it has a hood.
Yeah.
In case his ears get cold, I can put up the hood. Whoa, any animals? You see any animals?
There's one up there.
Go, 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 go! Lightning McQueen, you are speed. You are speed.
There it is. We're gonna go in it.
Where? She said where?
Where? We'll have to look it up.
That's why they do this. Holding.
All right.
Go get Momo.
Oh, yeah, monkey.
A tree. Wow. Is that the monkey over there? Or is this a monkey?
You're crazy. You're a monkey. Are you a monkey?
This is our ride.
You got a good seat.
Yeah, yeah.
And the best seats,
Okay,
of course,
good.
they're the edges.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
We're on this safari. Mom.
That is a Swahili word that means let's go. There's animals out here on the reserve. So pinkish color to their skin. That is the color of the hippo's
Oh,
sweat.
look at the hippo.
So we like to say that hippos have a blood sweat, but that does not quite literally mean that hippos. So see, there are some Angoli cattle there to the right-hand side as well. You can see them with their as heavy as you guys may think that it is actually very hollowed out on the inside. Longer
What is
back
that,
horns
Ty?
on top of their head.
Look, Ty. What is that?
One of them was sticking its feet into the road, but it looks like this one. We're getting a really up close of the view of him here in just a moment.
On the zebras.
Some leaves and twigs to eat. They'll have a very long. Time you see a giraffe like these friends here,
What is that?
they're probably gonna be eating. Giraffes. So this makes me fairly confident that these are all females. Not only because of the number in this group, but because of our little friend here. Female elephants live in what is called high to the
Ty,
bottoms
can you
of
say
trees to get some
giraffe?
leaves and twigs to eat. They'll have a very long like stripes.
Oh, look at the giraffe.
The giraffe is just walking.
He's crossing. Oh my goodness.
Now this is specifically a Maasai giraffe whenever they do most of their hunting. I guess whenever they.
All right, kid free. We're going on Flight of Passage. Toria's very first
ride.
time. This is my favorite ride, so I'm so excited.
We've got.
Control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team.
Welcome in. Grab a pair of flight visors. Go to the same number you were just standing on.
Are you ready? Oh yeah, there's another section. Yeah, it's very immersive, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Toria's first time. Geeking out. Geeking out.
Stow your gear on the back wall and then get onto the link chair the way we showed you in the video. Then put on your flight visors. For your safety, throughout this entire experience, remain seated, lean forward, holding onto the hand grips, and supervise your children. Para sus
Like this big wire, and you could do big wire. Marga. It looks like Marga.
They're so cute. Say aww.
You see him?
Rolling around in the dirt. Look at them play.
They're so not really as pets, but.
Hi, Mickey. Wait to Mickey.
Say hi, looks through. Say hi, Donald Duck! Hi! He goes, I'm gonna have my mac and cheese. Hi, Donald Duck! Aww. Say hi! Oh wait, let's show him your Donald Duck. Look! Wow! That's Donald Duck! He's starstruck right now. Oh, can you give Daisy a high five? Here, I'll hold Mickey. You give Daisy a high five. Aw, can you give Daisy a hug? Can we take a picture with Daisy?
He loves Mickey.
I think you're his favorite. He's so
Hi, look
excited.
You love
Ty, who is that? Ty, who is that? Is that Mickey? Ty, show him your Mickey. Look. That's your Mickey. Oh, thank you, Mickey. Oh, on his nose. That's so silly. Ty, can you give Mickey a hug? Can you give Mickey a big hug? No, give that Mickey a hug. Yeah. On your nose.
Oh, he's giving Mickey a hug.
Give Mickey a hug. Look, look, look. Give him a hug. Aww. That's so sweet. That's so cute. That's so cute. All right, should we take a pic, Donald Duck? Your Donald Duck toy. Oh, and Mickey too. Mickey's so. Ty, what does the duck say? Aw, kiss! Aw, bye! Turn around! Turn around! Ty, turn around! Ty, there's someone behind you. Ty. That's so silly. He has no idea. Look! Wow! Hi, Daisy! Do you want to get out?
He wants Goofy to be with me.
Goofy, we sleep with you every night. Hi, Goofy. Say hi, A fish.
A baby fish?
There's a hippo over there too. There's little meerkats and some zebras. Do you see the? Yeah. Did he say Bubba? We can call him Bubbas.
That's a gorilla. That's a big gorilla. That's a big gorilla. That's like.
Are you having fun seeing all the animals? What does the monkey say? What does the elephant say? What else? A lion say? Rah.
Oh my God, look. Oh, they're fighting. He took out the man. He took it out.
Oh, he's eating a tree branch over there. Ty, say cheese, cheese. Oh, sorry.
Put it in your face.
Don't put it in your face.
Don't put it in your face. This way. This way. That.
Wow, do you have the bubbles?
Oh, yeah.
Now, yeah, we're gonna go on it.
Yeah, get
ready, Mom.
Ty's coming in. That kind of looks fun.
Look, Ty, bubbles.
Do it.
Wow.
Big bubbles.
Say thank you.
You can pop the bubbles if you want.
Poor angelfish is a true thing. I'm gonna go
Ty, who is that?
the big world that I've never seen before. Some creatures.
Oh wow! Ema, wait, maybe.
Your escape plans never work, kid.
But this is good. I promise. We will all get out. As long as we can swim. We just have to find another way. Remember, all drains lead to the ocean. Grab some shell and surf the AC with me. Go in the
Yay! Ty! Ty, over here! Ty, look! Did we see Nemo? Did we see Nemo?
Oh, wait, there's nothing here.
Mom, do you want to ride the Ty, who's that? Wow. dinosaur. Going on dinosaur for the last time. Last time. This was our childhood.
Time traveler.
Last time on Dino. Got you a present. Do you want to open it? Here you go. Open it up. Rip it open. What is it? What is it? What is it? Wow. Did you get your own dinosaur car? Look how cool that is. Bye, dinosaur. You were so great. Wow, Ty. What do you think?
I grow up, I'll be king of the jungle.
Wow. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Simba. Say hi, Simba.
I'm gonna be king of Pride Rock.
Ty, look. He lights up. Ty. He lights up.
Full speed ahead.
Woo! Bubbles. And he lights up. You want to hold it? Hold it. Hold Buzz with the bubbles. 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 You are so cool. Bus? What does the bus say? Beep, beep. It's a Toy Story bus.